If you've got dogs, you've probably got dog fur in your house. On the floor, in the carpet, on your baseboards, it's literally everywhere. And I love my dogs as much as the next person, but this fur is living in my house rent free and it's gotta go. That's why I decided to partner with Teendow for this robotic vacuum. If you're like me, you get tired of using the heavy vacuum because it's just too much to deal with. So you want something to set it and forget it. And if I'm being honest, this little thing saved my household sanity. With its powerful suction, it's able to lift embedded pet fur out of the carpets. So it's designed specifically for us pet owners. It automatically adjusts between rugs, tile, and hardwood without slowing down. And the side brush sweeps hair from those hard to reach places like along the wall. And the best part about this is a 3-in-1. So it vacuums your carpet, mops your hardwood floor and your tile, as well as grooms your pet. It also has low noise, so my dogs are not afraid of it, and my one dog doesn't bark at it like she does with our standard vacuum. It even returns to its charging dock when it's done, like a responsible adult, which is more than I can say for my pets. Once you've got it all set up and you've made your account with their app, you want to let it explore so it can map out your house. Once your house is mapped out and it only takes a few minutes, it's ready to go. And if I'm being honest, I was thoroughly impressed at the job it did. And who doesn't want a vacuum where you could just press start, sit down on your couch, and watch your favorite show? If that's you, this Tendai robotic vacuum is 100% worth checking out. Just drop Tendai in the comments and get yours now for $30 off.